Welcome to Vision Plus and welcome back to this senior for mathematics and complex numbers. We are now on example 3 under the rectangular form. Example 3 says that we need to convert the following into the rectangular form. Part A says that we are given the complex number in the polar form of 5, 53.1 degrees. And we know that in the polar form, the complex number is given by r, theta. So on comparing these two, it implies that r is 5, theta is 53.1 degrees. Now to convert it to the Cartesian form or the rectangular form, we need x and y. And we know that x is given by r cosine of theta. That means we shall have 5 cosine of the angle 53.1 degrees. And then you close the calculator. 5 cosine of 53.1. I'm getting 3.002. 3.002. This is the value of x. Then y, we know that y is given by r sine of theta. This means that we shall have 5 sine of the same angle 53.1 degrees. We press the calculator. 5 sine of 53.1 degrees. I'm getting 3.9984. After getting x and y, we know that the rectangular form of the complex number is given by x plus iy. So we substitute. This implies that here we shall have the complex number that becomes x. What is the value of x? 3.002 plus y. Y is 3.9984. And then going to part B. Part B says that we are given a complex number 13, negative 112.6 degrees. When comparing it to the polar form, we see that r is 13 units and angle theta is negative 112.6 degrees. What do we need to do here? We need to find x and y, and we know that x is given by r cosine of theta. This means that 13 cosine, what is angle theta? It is 112.6 degrees. It is negative, please, negative 112.6. So we press the calculator. Is 13 cosine of negative 112.6. I'm getting negative 4.999958. This is the value of x. Then for y, we know that y is given by r sine of theta. This means that we shall have r, which is 13 sine of theta, which is negative 112.6 degrees. And then press the calculator. 13 sine of negative 112.6 degrees. I'm getting negative 12.0017. I'm writing to 4 degrees, but some people and some books can write to 2 degrees. After getting x and y, then you say, therefore, in the polar form or the rectangular form, x is given, complex number that is given by x plus iy. That means our x is negative 4.9958 plus negative 12. It becomes negative 12.0017i. And then going to part C. Part C says that we have 2, negative 30 degrees. When you compare it to the polar form of the complex number z, it means that our r is 2 units and our theta is negative 30 degrees. So we need to find x and y so that we can write it in the Cartesian form. And we know that x is given by r cosine of theta. That means we shall have 2 cosine of negative 30 degrees. Then you press your calculator. 2 cosine of negative 30, I'm getting 1.7321. That is the value of x. How about y? Y is given by r sine of theta. This means that we shall have 2 sine of negative 30 degrees. So 2 sine of negative 30 degrees gives us negative 1. Negative 1. After getting x and y, then you say from z is given by x plus iy. This means that I'll have my x as 1.732 plus iy. Y is negative 1. So we'll change it to minus I.